Hi class, this lesson is lesson 7 and I'm going to do a quick review and then after this I'll do lesson 8 on a different video. Okay, in front of us here, notice that the bases are the same. So automatically, the exponents, you set them equal to each other. So x equals to 4 plus 2x, and then from here you solve for x. And this is algebra 1, you guys, so go ahead and subtract x here. So now we get 0 equals to 4 plus 1x, and then the last step is to subtract 4. Now we get negative 4 equals to 1x or just x, and this is the final answer. For number 2, go ahead and stop real quick and take notes on this and try it out yourself before you continue watching. Okay, now that you're back and now you have completed the problem, hopefully you guys all know your charts by now, so you should have 2 to the 0 power, 2 to the 1, and so forth, if it helps you guys, okay? You will see 2 to the 5th power, you will get a total of 32. So instead of 32, you can write down 2 to the 5th power. Once again, the bases are the same right here, so set the what equal to each other, guys? Set the exponent equal to each other. X plus 1 equals to 5, and then subtract 1 to solve for x, that's it. X equals to 4 as your final answer. Pause the video and rewatch it again if you did not understand that. Thank you. Alrighty, this one here. 4 to the x power equals to 1,000. So this is called the squeezing method, and our goal is to get to 2 decimal places, meaning 2.37, for instance. That's 2 decimal places. All right, the question over here, this is x and this is y here. Don't forget that x stands for number of days for bacteria, and then y stands for the number of bacteria. So we're trying to guess 4 to the what power equals to 1,000 bacterias. So let's guess, we can do 4 here, we can do 5, and then we can do 6. So 4 to the 4th power, we have 4 to the 5th power. And then 4 to the 6th power. Type it into your calculators and then see what you get. Pause the video class and come back when you're done typing it in. Okay, so here's the final answer. So now you have this here. The question is, you're trying to get to 1,000 bacteria. Notice that it's in between here. And notice that it's in between 4 and 5. And it's specifically closer to which one? $256, or is it closer to $1,024? You're correct if it's 5. So the next problem here, you can write down between 4 and 5. And because it's closer to 5, we're going to go ahead and write down 5 first, and then going down towards the 4. Remember to write 0.0 here, 0.0 here, and in between we're going to do 4.90, 4.80, 4.7, and 4.6. You don't have to put the 0 there, but it just helps if you understand it. Okay, so go ahead and plug it in. We have 4 to the 5th power, which is the same thing back over here. So I'll just write that down. So we have 4 to the 4th power, 4.9, 4 to the 4.8. So once again, continue typing to your calculators and let's see what you get. Okay, so now that you're done, let's take a look at what you get. So right now, notice that where is $1,000? I guess you can see as dollars to make it easier sometimes. $1,000, is it in between which one? Right here. So that means that it's going to be in between the 5 and in between 4.9. And it's going to be relatively in the middle. So let's take a look over here now. So right over here, write down between 5.0 here, all the way down to about 4.90. Okay? All right, in this part here, it is very crucial that you guys see that this is $5. What's in between $5 and what is in between $4.90? So you can do 4.99, $4.99, that's a cent less. $4.98, $4.97, $4.96, and so forth. So make sure you understand what is in between, going by pennies now, so by cents. Okay, so go ahead, go back to this equation right here. So it's 4 to the power of 5, which you already know, which is 1024. Then 4 to the 4.99, 4 to the 4.98, and go ahead and type it in and come back when you're ready. Okay, notice now that I didn't complete the table all the way. And the reason being is because we noticed right away that 1,000 is in between these two numbers. It's in between 4.99 and 4.98. But which one is it closer to? Closer to $1,009 or $995? And you will see that the final answer is this one right here. So go back up to your equation here, and to write it correctly, class, it's 4 to the power of 4.98 is approximately close to 1,000. And please make sure that you know how to use the 5 vocabulary words that I have been emphasizing on the word wall. And it is bacteria, days, exponent, and base in reference to this equation that you have created. And lastly, because this number is 4, the bacteria E. coli is going to be quadrupling, and that's very fast as it grows exponentially. So pause and go back if you guys need any more help.